Hey, do you know what is encryption and how it helps in secure data communication, sharing our message, media and emails, data securely over the internet? Let's understand in this video. So what is data encryption? As you can see in the image, the process of securing the emails, content, card information, passwords and database from unwanted access. Encryption is the process of converting plain text, readable data, into ciphertext, unreadable or scrambled data, to prevent unauthorized access. Only user with the decryption key can access the data securely and safely, and unwanted access can be blocked. It ensures confidentiality, integrity, and security of data during storage or transmission. Encryption uses mathematical algorithms and cryptographic keys to transform data, so that only authorized parties can decode and access the original content. Watch the complete video to understand the topic in depth. For more such informative contents, follow the channel, like, share, subscribe. Thanks.